This morning we're going to have a touch and go competition where pilots will test their landing skills on landing on a spot on a runway. So that we have basically a box, and then we have a line in the middle of the box, and whoever lands closest to that with a stabilized approach, a safe stabilized approach, will win the competition. If you're coming in flat, then we're going to disqualify that run.
I'm for Phoenix East Aviation along with these two instructors here, and I'm here to do the touch and go competition.
These are the guys that are competing with me, so I have to mess with their minds now. They just told me that I need a teammate, and I didn't bring a CFI today, so...
All flying will be done based on the FAA rules. Raise your hand if you heard that. No, anything outside the FAA rules would be disqualification no matter what you do. If you're trying to take shortcuts, you'll be disqualified. The FAA rules apply here as well. There's no other rule other than the FAA rule. So if you hear somebody saying this is what you should do, if it isn't an FAA rule, it's not meant to be done.
More specifically, we're looking for a stabilized approach.
If this is the mark right here, if somebody's here carrying power, just dragging, then chopping, that would be disqualification. Anybody that does any cheating, in our opinion, you're going to be disqualified. So you know what our opinion would be is it a normal approach?
Our number one obligation is to safety.
One touch and go and one landing, and we're grading both. Any questions so far? Yes.
Do you have to have a partner in the plane, or can you go solo?
No, you can go solo.
Absolutely can go solo.
Don't stress out. Don't get nervous. We're going to do just fine. She's going to do fine. Don't worry, guys. She's going to do fine.
Advise on niche contact. You have Mission Bravo.
We got problems. What's going on?
The second aircraft failed to start, and then so we're going to go ahead and put the other airplane in line.
Gotcha.
It's going to be 80 feet away from taxi off wherever it is, whatever taxiway you can.
Okay, so this is how the landings are scored. Every pilot starts with 500 points, and the farther you land from this touchdown line, the more points you get deducted. For example, if in the first landing you touch down 20 feet away from the touchdown line, and on the second landing you're 10 feet away, that's 30 points that you get deducted from your original 500 points. And of course, you must land inside the box, and like one of the judges said,
we're looking for a stabilized approach.
No coming in low and cutting power at the last minute, no crazy unstable approach, and if you crash and die, you're immediately disqualified.
Juliet Delta holding short over 9 right.
November 119 Juliet Delta, Palaka Tower, runway 9 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 9 right, 119 Juliet Delta.
November 7347, go up, Palaka Tower, hold short runway 9 left. November 5 Juliet Delta, runway 9 right, clear touch and go.
119 Juliet Delta, clear touch and go, runway 9 left, 9 right.
Traffic, 4 o'clock, 2 miles, 600 feet below.
Man, they go out there. This guy went out a couple miles.
November 9 Juliet Delta, you're number 2, runway 9 right, clear the line.
Clear the line, number 2, 9 right, 119 Juliet Delta, and have that traffic on site.
Traffic, 9 o'clock, 2 miles, same altitude.
Whoa.
November 9 Juliet Delta, you going back to the event?
I'm going back to signature, 9 Juliet Delta.
9 Juliet Delta, right at Yankee, left at Golf, hold short runway 12 at Golf.
Right at Yankee, left on Golf, hold short of 119 Juliet Delta.
Build Trek, and then Savannah, direct up to 2000, 38 after 28.
So you have won 3 times in a row?
3 times in a row, yeah, and last year I did second place with a small point difference.
Anticipating prizes over here.
Maybe large.
So who's gonna be number 1? Who's gonna be number 2? Prediction. So you're number 1. You're gonna be number 1.
Yeah, we could.
And the winner of that one was the person by the name of Yamil Miranda. Yamil.
Yeah!
All right.
It was amazing. It was good. It was great experience. It was really fun.